guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natasha Patrice, and if this is your first time here, then welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video, we are going to be doing something not makeup related, but we're gonna do a hair video, as you can see. So today I wanted to share with you guys that I picked up this instant up and down half wig, half pony wrap. And so that's what the card looks like. I have not taken it out of the package. I've had it for about a week, but I wanted to save it for this video. So we're going to go over the specs really quick. Alright, this is what it's looking like out of the plastic. It is the Sensational Instant Up and Down, as I mentioned, half wig, one pony wrap. It is safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and by safe I mean heat safe. It's a unit or two pieces where you can do 4 styles. It says you can do an updo, and that means like the half up half down. You can do it says pony wrap, so just use the pony wrap, or you can just use the half wig. And so just to give let me break this off. Again, this is the card, and there are the 4 styles I mentioned. You can see each picture. I got the color number 2. This is the back of the card, and as you can see, it's showing you the colors that it comes in. And this style, because they have several styles, this style is the UD11, which I believe is the kinky straight texture, as kinky straight as synthetic can get, I guess. And I ordered this maybe from Elevate Styles. I can't remember, but I will have all of this information in the description bar below. This is, trying to get the net off. This is the pony wrap, and it is thicker than what I expected, because I've had pony wraps before and it just wasn't enough hair, and I didn't like that because my hair is super thick, which is the reason why I got the kinky straight, hoping that this texture would be thicker than some of the other textures that I've seen. And this is the piece that they give you that you wrap around your ponytail. On the inside, you can see there's a net with a comb, and then there's another comb right there on the side. So that's that piece. And this is the half wig. It has a lot of body, so I'm liking that. A lot of body. I have a big head, so I thought that the half wig would probably be my best bet, because it is so difficult for me to find a wig that actually fits my head. All my big head girls, if that's your struggle, then like this video and comment below so that I know I'm not alone. But in this half wig, you have a drawstring down at the bottom, and it has 3 combs, typical setup on the side, in the center. So I am going to do the half up half down style. That is probably like literally my favorite hairstyle on myself, is to have a ponytail half up snatching that face, and then to have it half down. I just feel like it complements my face shape quite a bit. So yeah, we're gonna do this today. Alright, so I am going to rinse out my hair off camera and blow dry it, and part it, and kind of do my cornrows for the back, and have my section for the ponytail in the front. And when I come back, we will go over all of that and get started. Alright guys, so we are back and it is the next day because I wanted to actually wait until I had somewhere to go. If you're interested in this face, I will have an IGT video up on my Instagram, but we're just going to focus on the hair. So, as you can see, I have my bun and I included a clip of my braids and I tie my edges down. The products that I use to slick my hair up, let's go over that really quick. I use Shine and Gem, very popular, and I also used, it's called Lock-In Gel, and I ordered this. On my edges, I use the Style Factor Edge Booster. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take off this edge wrap. And we're going to start with, I'm going to put the back piece on first. We're going to start with the back piece. As I mentioned, they have 3 combs. I removed my wig cap because I feel like it'll just do better without it. So this is why I didn't need any hair out to cover this, because it's so close to the bun that there's really no need. The hair from the ponytail will cover it up all. But so far I am living. It's so pretty. Tell me this don't look natural. Lie and tell me this ain't natural. let me sit up. Stand up so you can see. But yeah, so this is the length, a little bit past my breast. Again, this is what the back looks like. It has 2 combs. Now, the products that I will be using, Got2b and the pins. Start by putting this comb at the base. Right up to you and say what's on my mind. Gonna walk right up to you and gonna walk right up to you. Gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Just wanna be your girl. I wonder if you even notice me. Ooh, you gotta feel me. I would love you good. Just wanna be your girl. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me, and I would love you good. Just wanna be your girl. Oh, I wonder. You gotta feel me, and I would love you good. Just wanna be your girl. Wanna be your girl. I'm feeling it. The cons, or the only thing that I would say if I could change, these little ponytail wraps for someone like me, if you have thicker hair, I wish it was more hair in them. Like, it doesn't seem like it's a lot enough. But for someone who has finer hair, you may feel like this is full enough, you know? But for me, I like really full, thicker hair, so I wish that it was more hair in this ponytail. But honestly, it was more hair in it than I expected it to be, so I'm grateful for that. The half wig piece is probably my favorite part out of all of this. I mentioned I have a huge head, so yes, it's only fitting half of my head, but there was a lot of space, and I had to pull the drawstring, so that gives me hope that if I decided to wear it just the half wig and maybe do the whole bandana thing and wear it as like a bandana wig, that I would be able to achieve that and pull it off. So I'm really liking how versatile this is. If I wanted to just do one ponytail and have that full look that I mentioned, I could just use the half wig as a ponytail. So several styles I can do with this. Looking forward to trying those out, and you may see them in future videos. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below. If not, just go ahead and drop me a comment. I like to engage with you all. Welcome all comments. And if you want to see this makeup look, you definitely need to be following me on Instagram so you can check out my IGTV. Or if you want a tutorial on YouTube, you will have to comment and let me know. If I get enough requests, then I will do it. But yeah, that's all I have. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.